Hey guys, what's going on? Brendon May. Welcome to this channel. Oh, let me put the scissors down. I'm not trying to stab anybody. This video is going to be more about marketing your guys' MyEcon business offline. So you got the online thing down. If you guys don't have the online thing down, I will go over it with you in another video. But this is specifically for the people that are in MyEcon, so you guys can market this business offline and be really successful. A little bit about me. My name is Brendon May. You guys formerly know me from being with MCA. I was very high up there with Rodney Walker, Brian Williams, the big name gurus. Actually, Rodney was actually my sponsor. I left my MCA because they cut the pay rate or whatever, and there was no residual income. With MyEcon, there is residual income, and this is where I'm going with this. This is how this is going to help you market this offline. The best way to actually market MyEcon offline is go get some business cards, okay, with your name and number, and the name of your business. Mine is called Team Six Figures, and why? Because it's just when you hand the business, you're like, wow, you're thinking about six figures, and that's where we want everybody in the company is to make six figures eventually. So get some business cards. You can go through Vistaprint, or I got a link down here below to a company that I recommend for business cards. I get mine there. If you guys don't know what MyEcon is, you guys can click the link below, and you guys can go to my website, and I will explain what MyEcon is, and you guys can even sign up under me if you guys want to. I left the link below. But if you're on this video, chances are you guys are already with MyEcon. So if you guys want to market this offline, check this out. Go out, get you some business cards, call up a few hotels. Ask them if they have a conference room that you can use for maybe an hour or hour and a half. You shouldn't need 2 hours. Like I said, people don't like to be in your conference room for more than an hour. So get the conference room booked, maybe for a Thursday at 7 o'clock. And I'm just using an example because that's what my rooms are booked for, is at 7 o'clock over at the Marriott. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go out and prospect. You're going to hand them business cards out to people all throughout the week. So you got a week to hand out business cards, okay? You're going to be like, hey, my name is Brendon. I'm with Team Six Figures. Maybe you and your wife would like to make a little extra money or a lot of extra money. And we're actually hosting a great seminar there. I'm actually the guest speaker. And if you guys can make it, I would love for you guys to be here at 7 o'clock on Thursday here at the Hilton Honors at 7 o'clock in Conference Room B. Like I said, I'm not the best presenter. I'm not the best talker. I know that, okay? But you catch my drift. You get my point, okay? So anyways, you give them the card and say, by the way, if I can get your number or whatever, this and that, and then you guys can exchange details, and then you can give them a reminder, a friendly reminder on the day before. So on that Wednesday, give them a friendly reminder. Hey, just checking in with you. Our seminar is actually tomorrow at 7 p.m. Are we still on? Boom. Leave it at that. Don't blow them up. Don't sit there and call them constantly. Don't act desperate. You just want them to come to your group. Now, here's how you're going to do the seminar. The best thing about this is everybody that's with MyEcon in your back office is the business presentation. They got that in PDF mode. They got that in a video mode. And the best part they got is on a PowerPoint. Now, the cool thing about your guys' presentation rooms or your conference rooms is most of them have projectors. So you're going to be able to utilize their projector. All you got to do is bring a laptop or two because you want one for sign-ups at the end of the seminar. And you are going to give the whole business presentation. You're going to go over the income shifting membership. You're going to go over the instant pay raise. You're going to go over the comp plan, removing collections. Do all that first and then go into the comp plan. And then you're going to teach them how they can make $100 per sale for everybody that joins MyEcon under them. Okay? So here's the deal. So boom, comes, and now set up your conference room to be professional because you want them to feel like a boss. They're coming to a hotel. Okay? So get some black sheets or tablecloths, put them over the white tables. Put some ice there, a bowl, like I forget the name of it, like a punch bowl. Put the ice in the punch bowl, and then put some cups there for your guests to use, and get water, and then have like a little full pitcher of water right there. Maybe two of them, 2 or 3. Then on the other table, I want you guys to have like an extra laptop or computer. That way, people could sign up right after your seminar. You catch where I'm going? So you're going to give the whole business presentation, and you're going to be up there talking. Hey guys, I'm Brendon with Team Six Figures. This seminar is about MyEcon, and then go into the business presentation. Then at the end, emphasize on how much they can make, how much is going to help them repair their credit scores. Focus on the benefits, on how this program is going to help them, and you will convert. Okay, because the making money part of it is an extra bonus of this whole situation. And then, so boom, you gave the whole presentation, and then at the end, you're going to go right into how you guys can make money, and then how well you're doing, how easy it is, and then you're going to offer them to be their mentor, to help them be successful, because that's what we want. We want to build wide and down, and then, like I said, how many of you guys are ready to get? How many of you guys are excited about this comp plan? Okay, and then how many of you guys have $100 to get started right now? Okay, and let them raise their hand. If you don't get too many hands raised, go back over the compensation plan, how much money they're going to make, or go over the benefits, which either or, it doesn't matter. I did it both ways, and then see how many hands fly up at the end of your seminar. Then have your wife at the back, and she can help people get signed up at the end. So if you guys are ready right now, go ahead and go out to the back table and get signed up right now. And then you can keep on talking through there, okay, and encouraging people why they need to sign up and why now's the time. You know why you need to sign up? Because you are on a good team. I'm on your team, and I will not let you fail. So then, boom, check it out. Now you got them 7 people signed up. You got $700 just from doing that seminar. And now you're going to follow up with all them people who signed up under you. You're going to get acquainted with them, get acknowledged with them, maybe give them a welcome call after the conference or the next day, and to go over all of that, any questions they have, and then we're going to help them be successful. We're going to help them get some business cards, okay? We're going to help them go out and, well, we're not going to go out them with them, but they're going to go out and prospect during the week, okay? And then guess what? They're going to be like, hey, my name is Natalie. I just joined, Team Six Figures, and this is an awesome, amazing group that I joined. They teach you how to build, not only how to build your credit and get it to 750 plus credit score, but how you can make 6 figures in as little as 6 months' time. And I know you guys are struggling financially, or you guys could use some extra income in the family. So here's my business card. My name's Natalie, and my phone number's on there. Now, we are having a seminar on Thursday at 7 o'clock. My sponsor is actually going to be there. He is the guest speaker. He is in MyEcon. He is an EVP Gold, and I would love for you to meet him. So 7 o'clock on Thursday. Can you make that? Perfect. Awesome. And I'm going to give you a reminder call on the day before, on Wednesday, and let you know that, to remind you that is coming up on Thursday at 7. Be at Conference Room B, and I'll see you guys there. You can meet me at the door, or at the front, or wherever, okay? Boom. So then she's going to do that, and now, guess what? All them 7 people that you got in there brought 3 people to your group on Thursday. Do you see where I'm going? Do you see where the money's coming in? So check this out. You went out and prospected yourself and got your own people to come that week as well. So now you got your people coming the next Thursday. Obviously, you booked the same room, for 7 o'clock on Thursday. Now you got your people coming, and you got all those 3 people coming. So the 7 people that you signed up, each of them have 3 people. So you got a class of 21 people, okay? But they're bringing their guests, and you're being the closer, or you're going to be the sponsor. You're their sponsor, but you're going to close all the sales for your people in your downline, so they can sign up under your downline, under the people you signed up the previous week. So, and how that's helping you? That's helping you build. Momentum. You're getting the team rolling, and you're getting the team working, and it's also building your residuals in your back office as well. So then guess what? Not only did you close 7 of those people, the new 7 that you have that you personally brought in, but you're also making $90 off of the new people that they brought in because they're getting $10 on their first sell and you're getting the 90. Does that make sense? So the first week you made $100 off of each one of those. The second week you're making $90 because the people that you actually brought in, those 7, the first sell they make, the 90 goes up to you. Does that make sense? So do you see how you guys can make $2,000 plus paychecks a week all by doing this offline? It's so simple, and all it starts with is 7 people in your group, 7 to 10 people. So not everybody's going to make it, not everybody's going to join, but the more people you bring to your conference room, to your meeting group, the more people are going to join. And if you're a good speaker, and you can close the sales, like I said, know your information, know what you're talking about when you're up there, because you don't want to get stumped. And then go back and ask them for if they have questions, let them sit there and ask the questions and you answer them. So they might have a question like, listen, so after my first sale, I'm a marketing director, or excuse me, you let them know that they start out as a marketing director. Okay, on their first sale that they get, they're only going to make $10. Okay, but after that, they're promoted. I'm not even going to correct this video. I'm tired. I'm ready to go get something to eat, but I just want to get this message out there. So after your first sale, you're actually going to be promoted to EVP. So after that first sale, you're only going to make $10. But once you make that first sale, you're promoted to EVP, and now you can make $100 per referral. And guess what? Boom! They're going to go out and go get 7 people, bring them to your conference, bring them to your conference room, and you're going to close their sales for them. So you're working for your team and you're building your own at the same time. You're building it wide and you're building it deep. And that's the whole purpose of this. And if you guys want, I've done it in the past where I've had a couple laptops at the end of on the table so they can get signed up right then and there. That way they ain't got time to think about it. That way you can get them on board and making money. So their only focus is going out there and getting prospects, is to bring them to your meeting group that next week. And that is how MyEcon is going to build and thrive. Do you see the money that you can make? How many of you guys see dollar signs and money you can make? Guys, I'm Brendon May. Like I said, I've already went in 12 minutes and almost 13 minutes in this video. But I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and helpful ways you guys can make money. I'm also going to be having a video coming up how you guys can market this online and be successful. I teach people all that, and this can work in any business that you guys are in. It doesn't have to be MyEcon. For those of you that aren't with MyEcon already, guys, go ahead and click the link below. Get signed up. Add me on Facebook. Connect with me. Send me a message. I'm a real person, guys. I'm not an asshole. Send me a message. I know that everybody has financial hardships every now and then, and people, are working a job. Don't quit your job. Keep working. There will be a time that you will be able to quit that job and you'll be making money, and this could be your full-time gig. I want everybody to be successful. Peace, and I love you for free. Don't forget to like and subscribe, but thrive.